took some washout on this dam. Look at that, the core trench held. That's what you want to see there. Alright, so here's a reference as far as where I left the machine at. We're going to go look if it's dry enough to get some work done. Oh, jeez! There goes my back. Freaking pothole. Oh, went over the dam! Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. And if this is the first video you are catching, this was the last one here. This is a preview. So we got a huge rain, over 6 inches overnight, and it blew out the pond dam. Wrecked it. So today I'm going to assess the damage afterwards and start the repair process. If you want to follow the whole thing, I'll put a link in the description of the playlist, because this has been an interesting and of course a learning experience building quite a large pond with small equipment. Anyways, let's get into today's episode. As always, if you enjoy the content, please hit the like button. We greatly appreciate that. So let's see how day one of the aftermath is going to go. And if I can get on the dam and get these trees gone and start working on the back. The good news is it holds water. That's issue number one. I'm definitely going to leave this spillway, although I might bring it up. We got to wait until we fix this dam back here. Oh yeah, I could drive on this. I'll wait until we fix the dam. Oh geez, there goes a big doe right there. Man, we took some washout on this dam, that's for sure. Look at that, the core trench held. That's what you want to see, the core trench held. So I'm going to go back here in the woods and just dig a borrow pit and start refilling this. I mean, you could make a spillway on the dam, but it's generally, you want virgin dirt, because it'll, even if you put riprap on there, it'll want to wash it out. Look at all the deer tracks on here. Alright, well, I'm going to have to regrade this. Get rid of these trees. I don't have my chainsaw with me, so I might wait for next time on them. But I'll cut a path down and around there and do what I can. Alright, so I decided to bring in some more dirt from this end of the pond dam first. So I'm going to dig another borrow pit basically right next to the pond dam, right behind it in the woods, and I'm going to push that with the blade over towards that damage there. And then after that I'm going to work my way down into the woods, down below the pond dam, and try and dig another borrow pit down there to add and start the repair process. So let's see how it goes. I'm calling it in for today. After all, it's Sunday. So I just wanted to get at least another foot on here as a temporary patch in case we got a pop-up shower or something. So, and then I'll continue. I'll probably dig a hole down there, but I'll continue pushing from this way and filling this thing in over the next couple weeks.